Notice the water not even on yet. Turn it to, like I said, about a 7 or 8. I'm putting the eggs in here with the water not boiling yet. And I'm using free-range organic eggs because, just because. I like to use free-range and organic because I want to make sure that the animals were taken well care of. We'll put about 7 eggs in there. And then once it gets to boiling, we will let it boil for about 15 minutes. Now some people boil it, cut the heat off, put the pan over it. I just let it roll boil. But that's how I roll when I boil. You'll see it's beginning to boil. I'll turn it back down to 8. The reason you put it in cold, put the eggs in when the water's cold, is you don't want to shock the eggs by putting it into a bunch of boiling water. And then occasionally I'll lightly stir the eggs, and that is so the yolk doesn't really go to one side or another. It'll cook more evenly. And then we'll come back, set the timer for 15 minutes, and check back. So now that it's boiled, gently pour out the hot water without burning yourself. And then pour in some cold water. I see that some of my eggs burst open. We'll see if they're salvageable. But the cold bath, one, keeps you from scalding your fingers trying to break them open. Take out your egg, cut it long ways. You're saving the yolks. Gently, see if you can't pop that yellow out. And put your whites over to be stuffed later. My deviled eggs, they're not pretty, they're not perfect, but do they taste good? Hells to the yeah. I'd rather go by delicious than by looks any day. So I'm not using the little piping bags to make the little swirlies. I could, but I'm lazy and it's just for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'm gonna put out more recipes. There should be some links to other videos popping up here. So check them out as well. Hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I've got new videos coming out. And thank you, and bon appetit.